if you want to create a new grade rule table, you first have to make sure that all sizes that you want to use in this table are known to your system. For this, click onto File Edit, that's on the blue layer, this symbol. As soon as you click it, it opens under File, Open. You can search for the data type size table and open the file sizes. This file contains a table with up to 3000 sizes, and you have to make sure that those sizes that you want to use in your table are implemented here. This file is case sensitive, so it makes a difference if you have a size written like this, or if you have a size name written like this. The same goes if you have a size written like this, or if you write the size like this. Those are two different sizes for the system. So if the size you want to use is missing, please tell your Assyst administrator to implement those missing sizes. The normal Assyst user is not allowed to do any alterations to this file. So if you want to create your new table, open a new CAD window. It's important that the window that you use is completely empty, so please do not create anything in this window, or please do not load anything in this window, because in those cases, in the background, the system will always already load the connected grade rule table to these design files. You use the function grading table select. A window opens up, and here you can see all existing grade rule tables, and you just enter the name for your new grade rule table. You can use up to 60 characters, and you can use letters and numbers, minus and underline. As soon as you have written your name, you can say OK, and a second window will open. This window should be completely empty beside the name that you just entered. Here you have to enter the new sample size for your grade rule table, and you have to enter at least one size group. You can do that by using the dots. This will open up the size file, and you can select with your left mouse button those sizes that you want to have. Make sure to press Ctrl to select those sizes. As soon as you say OK, the sizes are filled into this size group. The sample size always needs to be a part of the first size group, and the sizes also have to always be entered from the smallest size toward the biggest size. As soon as you confirm with OK, you can already save your grade rule table. Use the function grading table save. Another editor will open up. Your file name will be displayed. If you want to, you could give a short description of your grade rule table. For example, which sizes are included, or what kind of pattern you use it for. And as soon as you save, the system will create the new grade rule table, including the rule number 1, which is always an empty rule or a 0 rule with 0 in X and 0 in Y for all sizes.